Hello, I Xposed baby I'll be a ninja pa na mao. Agrada ne cancel Lutterotd beef na start when you told beef when you told where beef of the war war of wet. Councillor say Agrada worry Asiamah for sexual pleasure. It means Asiamah one thing, the trade more thing to see Agrada so bonny to and yam na me kind Councillor Lutterotd na kind go to him.
Agrada addressed me before a few hours. Did you watch the video?
Me share full video.
No, she insulted me. Literally, she keeps insulting me. I don't know why. But I didn't ask. I didn't. Oh, she's not my enemy. She's not my friend. But I've never asked Agrada to marry Asiamah, his church master. Divorce is part of marriage. And for Agrada to divorce a husband who was a pastor, who was the reason why she bought a church. And the pastor, his husband, refused to run the church. And then the church called her and she started ministry. Every time she gets the opportunity on the pulpit, she wants to insult me. People, they should advise her that I'm not within her reach. I will not be part of her reach. Though she feeds, I'm not part of them. She can insult, what's the name of the guy with no hair in the middle? Big Xposed, because they are part of his catchment area. I mean, he has fed Big Xposed and still feeding Big Xposed. His boss sued for Big Xposed to wear. But she's not done that. And I've not said anything about her that she has not said before. Because when a few adults went there for the apology, I don't know if you have it. She made a statement and used me. That it was me who was talking. That is what brought her to come and say that she's doing juju. Instead of saying Sikagari.
Okay.
But the conversation was not to insult her.
Okay.
We're talking about people whose ministry are going on. And I said, somebody like Agrada, I will not doubt that God has called her. I said that in the video. It's there on the podcast. I said it. That I will, maybe Mama Pat, you call her by your qualification, Agrada, will not have a proper translator, so she might not be understanding what I said. And as for the boy he has married, Asiamah the tailor. No, is it a tailor? Yes, Asiamah the tailor. Who, by virtue of Kube, has married Agrada, can't also interpret the English very well. Because Agrada married, you know, Agrada's marriage to Asiamah was as a result of sexual intercourse. That's what she said. What's it mean to me? Mami sofu kumane menda on wale me. It is only better. I mean, one known to me menda. So the marriage was contracted for the reason that Mama Pat will have access to have sex with what do you call him? The current man he's married to. So that is why she said it. Say I mean to me, Mami sofu kumane menda ni egunya mi ejuma no hufin. Eti me wale no ne me da ni anya bone. So as Asiamah happens to be an original registered sex toy for Agrada.
Oh,
yes,
that's harsh.
That's what she said. And in the quest of marriage, she brought the term.
But sex is part of marriage.
Come again.
But sex is also part of marriage.
But the intention for men to marry women is because we want to have sex with them. But for women, it's not that. So for a woman to say that I don't want you to sleep with me whilst I'm not married, so I will marry you so I can have sex with you, it means that you are a sex toy for the woman. And if you married a sex toy, I didn't come into your mouth. It is you who said that. I didn't say it. Now, so what's your for Kuraji Kube? I was Siama Hono Walewa and fire. So Kube Niaji, yeah, you okay? And these things are things you said, and we are repeating you back to you. So in a few of those podcasts, all I said was that Mama Pat, that you all call her, Agrada, didn't have the intention of running a church. I said it because that's what she said. But she bought the church for the husband.
Okay.
And the husband's refusal to come and run the church is what gave her the edge to come and start a church. So if you are saying a call of God, Agrada was called by the church she bought. If now God has called her, I am not God. But per her statement, I saw it done in a friend. Men kase nyame friend. Me de ono kan na me repeat say. Oto asori ni ma ni kunu. Ni kunu na mpre. E no no ase o akoye asori no. Ye nim da so esofo. And I'm crofo share the color dia ngugu so nyonyo mu nyina ko ye. We are here. It is a ne ya kana me catch fi odo se wo. Agrada de. Menyi mentimi nka se nyame friend. Mentimi nka se nyame se ni so. But dia okai ni kire se oto asori ni ma ni kunu. Ni kunu ambenti no no abaye den. Obehye asori na se. Na fi odo akotena because of so interview ni ntika gen se what counselor said no me di matem. Agrada. Osura agrada. Efoma agrada. Ewima agrada. Me George Lutterotd. Mentao. Menje hwimfi wo. Me so aminsuro. Efi odom na be kutu wo. Me minsuro. Asiamah na wo tie na no waye din e san se o toy boy. Sex toy. Betie me. Se ware be ma papa bi anka. Ye ka se obetufu na Asiamah tumi fama di matem na mama part waka say ye din na ko anim. Tell them that I'm not part of their gimmicks. But it's a few other who took me.
We are see ni obi apa no ye. Counselor Lutterotd say Asiamah any agrada we no a sexual marriage. We are see your business marriage, your sexual marriage, your beautiful marriage, and then we have marriage. Onti ase. Sexual marriage ni yet to say oba no ohia be man for sex. Beautiful marriage ni ye be man ohia nice woman to compliment. Business ni ye either oba na wuska na be man na wuska sebe odidi akire ene ye wa aware ankasa yes Asiamah na agrada de ne de sexual marriage because Marty say yes Asiamah de the old time girlfriend be say Asiamah siw so afọwes na no ho mae enyam nam kan Counselor Lutterotd. But you see mami can be bin share Counselor Lutterotd. In this life marriage cannot be defined, and what you want is not what I want. Ebia me kwa warem just to have sexual pleasure. Obi kwa warem to have somebody to what talk to. Obi kwa warem so that obenya companionship. It is sabe Asiamah ba ye me I have no he has gained my respect I'll say because the way he has carried himself, the way I was supporting agrada, the way I was sa agrada po ene sabe agrada kasa who say agrada kasa o nyansam and sabe ahobrasiem. She might have her flaws, but she also has a strength. Her strength is that she's been what? A strong woman. Her flaws might be said, sometimes she talks overboard. But all in all, Asiamah me jina, sabi waya agrada, obiya sabi sisi o kasa kofoti. Go and check those back. They be ame say, ye warrior. Na after some time, obi hum. Na sabi, what kwechira, I mean say, aware na nye ese ujai. Marriage should be what? Progressive. Except me worry on nature, because opa uni, what's the sound for the better, not for the worse. It's Counselor Lutterotd, no matter what you're saying, if it's sexual marriage or whatever, Asiamah has done something that the old husband couldn't do. And when we talk about you being a man, you are a leader. A man being a leader means that you are able to transform your woman. So we a leader, no it's me and transforming your woman. Not so woman no transform you there, you are not a leader. Enti Asiamah wa yade atopabuo no so de esi o yade ne obua 25 kilometers obusa na we or tetem agrada tetem ni nyina ye because our say anya sexual sika na hofe ni aka ni nyina enyame dia aha Xposed je chefem ba Bruce o subscribe me de tumpa na sake mandos.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.